अवतारा ह्यसंख्येया हरेः सत्त्वनिधेर्द्विजाः यथा विदासिनः कुल्याः सरसः स्युः सहस्रशः. This shloka is spoken by Suta Goswami in the 3rd chapter of Srimad Bhagavatam. He says that avatara hi asankhyeya means the Supreme Lord Krishna's avatars or incarnations are asankhya, innumerable, unlimited incarnations. Actually, the sages of Naimisharanya requested Suta Goswami to speak about various avatars of the Supreme Lord. So, Suta Goswami described so many incarnations: Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Vamana, Narasimha, Rama, Parashurama. Like that, so many incarnations of the Lord are there. And Suta Goswami enumerated about 22 incarnations and briefly explained their activities. And at the end, he says that I cannot describe all the incarnations of the Lord because He has unlimited incarnations. I only spoke only few incarnations, but avatara hi asankhyeya. There are innumerable incarnations of the Lord because He is Hareha Sattvanidher Dvijaha. Oh Brahmanas, please understand that Lord Hari or Lord Krishna, He is Sattvanidhi. Sattvanidhi means He is an ocean of goodness, pure goodness. In this material world, the Sattva Guna is often tinged with Rajoguna and Tamoguna. One cannot be purely in mode of goodness. Sometimes there is a little passion and ignorance also exhibited by such people. But Hari, He is in Shuddha Sattva. Hareha Sattvanidher Dvijaha. That Supreme Lord Hari, who is an abode or an ocean of pure unalloyed goodness, has unlimited incarnations. Avatara hi asankhyeya Hareha Sattvanidher Dvijaha. And to explain this, our Suta Goswami gives one example. Yatha vidasinaha kulya means there may be a great reservoir of water. From that great reservoir of water, sometimes small rivulets will come, right? Although innumerable rivulets of water are coming from that great reservoir of water, the main reservoir of water will not diminish in its quantity, right? So just like a big ocean or big reservoir of water can give rise to small rivulets of water, similarly the Supreme Personality of Godhead Krishna, who is Sattvanidhi or ocean of goodness, can give rise to millions of incarnations. How many times Krishna appears in this world as some avatara? Krishna has avatars in so many species. Sometimes Krishna appears in the community of human beings. Sometimes He appears as an aquatic, Matsyavatara. Krishna appears as a human being, as Lord Ramachandra or Lord Krishna. And He appears as a fish or Matsyavatara amongst the aquatics. And amongst the Devatas, the Lord appears as Vamanadev. And He also appears amongst the animals as Varaha. So like Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, sometimes there is a combination. So Lord appears as Narasimha, half man and half lion. So in this way the Lord appears in so many forms, in various species. And there are various types of avatars of the Lord also. So Krishna has 6 types of avatars in this world. One is Purusha avatars. So Purusha avatars are 3 in number. So they are Mahavishnu or Karanodakasai Vishnu, from whose bodily pores millions of universes emanate. And second Purusha avatara is Garbhodakasai Vishnu, from whose navel the universal lotus sprouts and gives birth to Brahma. And there is Kshirodakasai Vishnu, who lies on the milk ocean. So like that, there are 3 Purusha avatars. So this Purusha avatars is only one category of Krishna's incarnations. And second category is Gunavataras. So Krishna has 3 Gunavataras: Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva. Brahma is the in charge of mode of passion. Vishnu is the in charge of mode of goodness or Sattva Guna. And Shiva is the in charge of mode of ignorance or Tamo Guna. So like that, there are 3 Gunavataras. So first is Purusha avatars, then Gunavataras. There are Leela avatars. So many Leela avatars. Leela avatars means pastime incarnations. So Krishna appears as Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Mohini Murti, and all these are various Leela avatars. Then we also have Manvantara avatars. So Krishna appears in every Manvantara. And there are Yuga avatars. Krishna appears in every Yuga as an avatar. And there are Shakti-avesh avatars. Means Krishna also appears to exhibit a specific Shakti, or He empowers a living entity with a specific Shakti to accomplish some mission in this material world. So like that, there are so many types of incarnations, and there are so many incarnations in various species. Like that, Krishna has innumerable incarnations. Avatara hi asankhyeya hareha satvanidher dvijaha. So the Supreme Lord is one, but his incarnations or avatars are unlimited. And Krishna is the fountainhead of all these incarnations. That is Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam, as described in the shloka of Srimad Bhagavatam.
For more such devotional programs, please watch Hare Krishna television. To get this channel, please contact your cable or DTH operator. For more information, please call 8767 845 845.